What's cruise day like if you're on a back-to-back? Let's see.
So having us in a little holding area, say there's about 15 back-to-back people. And anyway, they're walking us off the ship. There's the Carnival Horizon off to my right. And yeah, so basically you gotta go back down to Border Patrol, Customs, and show them your passport or whatever again. And then they turn you around and they walk you right back on the ship. So here we're headed off to do that, and that's about it.
Cruise go! Yeah!
I just can't get away from a good time.
Coach Cruise, like, subscribe, share. You know what to do.
This lady is the one walking us down to the customs area. There's about 4 or 5 other people behind me, and we'll swipe in, and you see people down there waiting to board for the first time. We will be the first on the ship, so it's kind of cool. Just like that, we are being walked back on. Part 2, back to back, Carnival Horizon, August 2nd this time. Let's do this. All right, we are on the ship. 3, 2, 1, Carnival Horizon, Part 2. Here we go. Thank you. Kind of cool being on an empty ship, being the first people on. They used to do like a thing where they'd have champagne and stuff like that, and then you'd take a picture with everybody that was going back to back, but I guess they quit doing that. That's another thing Carnival's quit doing, but see with the beautiful LCD screens, and like you say, it's kind of neat being first on. So gonna go back to the room, see if my luggage made it there, because they had to transfer it from one room to the other. And yeah, and get this party started. Got Coach Cruise fam coming on, so excited about that. And let's do this. Just like that, we got people coming on to start the cruise. Here we go. All right, gonna give you a tour here of Havana Cabana 5231. Let's come in and check it out. As you come in on the right, you have this little key card here, and what this does is it allows your lights to work. If that card is not in that little slot, then that's why your lights are not working, just FYI. Now, we have the bathroom on the right. As soon as you walk in, you also have your temperature control here, so you probably want to make sure that's all the way cool if you're coming in warm months. And pretty standard bathroom for the Havana area. One thing I will point out though is you have the Elemis products, which are much better quality than what is in the typical stateroom. And then everything else is pretty standard. You have the 3 shelves for toiletries on each side, and you know, standard toilet, everything like that. So as you come out here, let's turn back around, because we have the first of 3 closets, and this one is the full length, as you can see. Then the next one here, you have the option of making it full length by setting that up or down. And then here, this closet, you have your safe, several shelves, you have some drawers. Next up, we have our vanity, and you have your little fridge down here. And you can store a good amount of stuff, you know, lots of cans and that. Over here, you do have a couple extra USB ports, some outlets, and some European outlets as well there. You just hit this little switch, it will turn your light on. Now, as we swing back around, we have a couch that can convert to a bed. There's some more drawer space underneath here if you need to store a couple other things. A little table, king size bed that can be split into 2 single beds. There's a little TV on the wall there, a couple little lamps, and you have the switch back here that you can hit to turn all the lights on or off when you're ready to go to bed. Now, the fun thing here, we have the little cabana. And, okay, there we go. Yeah, the handle can be a little tricky sometimes, but you see you got a nice little lounger out here, a smaller lounger chair, and then a little swing chair, which is fun. And if we go out, what's really cool, you got your little gate here, and it's a short walk around to the back of the ship. Let's just get all the way around here. We are in the port of Miami, but as we go through here, you see all the extra loungers. You can choose to see we got several day beds, and this is all included for you. You have the hot tubs here on the side, plenty more seating. There is your Havana pool, a couple cabanas, more seating, your own private bar for anybody in the Havana area, and yeah, then a view of Miami. So it is a wonderful area to be in, and trust me, it's packed at the other pools, and when you come to this one, it's not, and it's so enjoyable. So let's do this. Time for a little Havana pool action. We can go check out the pool right now. Let's do it. haven't been doing my voice. Oh, hey, look how I'm getting. Okay, even better. Very good. I like it.
I still belong. Don't get me wrong. You can speak your mind, but